This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Hamur, 7,534 euro win. Congratulations and it's better. My biggest fear? I guess not achieving anything in my life. Or like, not enjoying life to the fullest. Good luck also would be really scary, when you like look back and like, oh wow, I should have done more things. Should have enjoyed it more. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want to look back and think, oh, I did so many things. I had a great life, and a lot of adventures. 2x and Grace time, and well, ladies and gentlemen, it is crazy time with 2x. Whoa, let's go. Our third one as well. Woo! Well, here we go again. Well, we do have a 2x top slot. So that's it already. All the flappers have a double, right? So choose your team again. Blue gang, yellow gang, or green gang. Well, good luck. How about more doubles in here?
This is the amount of money issued, 354,000 to 183 euros.
Trade for the green. Well, especially nice for the green team with 200. Woo! We have also nearly 7,300 winners. Nice. Place your bets. But yeah, Mike, have I had sleep paralysis? No, I have not. Have you? I don't think I would survive that.
Rex, hero. Hero. Good luck. Kamara, hello, Mr. Kim Chue. Chris Anthony, good luck to you, ladies and gentlemen. Read my name. Oh. Heisenberg, is that your name? Say it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, nice. Look at that CT top slot. We got it going, man. Good luck. Good luck. Oh yeah, big wheel, man. Big wheel. We got to multiply 3 times the size. Is also got to multiply 3 times. Man, this is what we're looking for. This is what we have been looking for ever since we woke up today in the morning. The first thing we thought of course, is about a gamble. That's our, healthy state of mind is, wake up thinking about gambling, of course. And now, this is a 3x on that CT, man. Okay, guaranteed at least 30x on every single flapper, ladies and gentlemen. Which flapper, though, you got to choose? Green, blue, yellow, man. You need a max win. All right, good luck to you. Good luck to you with the max win. Maybe. Green, blue, yellow, people. Come on, make that choice. Lucas. Blue heart. 300x maximum at the moment. Good luck to you, ladies and gentlemen. Nice.
This is the amount of money issued, 362,314 euros.
100x multi. Nice. 6,056 for this Enjoy FHD at the top of the 13,880 euros for you. Congratulations, Enjoy. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Brother 7, isn't it? Good luck to you. Fish cake or sashimi? I haven't tried fish cake, but I have tried sashimi. And the sashimi that I've tried were the best piece of salmon I've ever tasted. The only thing that matched, like went close to how good that sashimi was when I tried it, was the one time we were on a wedding and they served salmon tartare there. It was just beautiful. I ate like 3 portions of it, you know. Great time, thanks, good luck. Oh, what? Ah! Yes! Push! It's a boy! It's crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy, it's crazy time. It's crazy time. So look at that. 3x multiply, ladies and gentlemen, and we are here once more, man. Choose your flappers, but first witness the tripling of all the multipliers that you can find here in the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, and deploy the 3x. Look at this. The wheel gets memed out, absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, yellow, choose your flapper, people. People. Remember, have 35, 20, and 50. Last CT, who knows, maybe will have any impact to those changing their decisions based on that. Now, majority still goes for Baloo. That's how it happens. 300x maximum multiplier. Good luck to you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, dude.
This is the amount of money issued 354,038 euros.
With 45 on the green and 75 on the blue, yellow, dude. What's up? Do you see what I see? 6,279. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a quarter bet. Master 888 Rafala Dude 5. Enjoy, good luck to you, ladies and gentlemen. That yellow is out of control, man. Amarillo es muy bueno. Sí.
Times multiply over there. Ooh la la. And I guess there we go again. A little redemption time from crazy time. Time to check the 3 beautiful flappers again. Follow me, darlings. Well. 3 floppers are back. Pick it up, guys, pick it up. Previous time, green and blue gave you the most. Just a little briefing. And as I can see, you are still putting the hopes on the blue. 100, we are coming for you. Well, green, look at you. Green, look at you. You got that double. Let's double the fun. And now we are trying to give you that 200, ladies and gentlemen. How about another double? Let's double. And now how about 400? Wait, what? How about another double? Where is my sofa? I will take a nap over here. Yo! Can we get 800, baby?
This is the amount of money issued 438,298 euros.
The majority pick the blue, 10x over there. Green, look at you, 400. Double the fun, almost 3.6 thousand of you with money. Good job. Well done, guys, you deserve it. You deserve that 400.
Get a nice sound batting time. Yeah. I just want something. Something nice and simple on my back. That was like crazy time with 2x, right? No, I just tattooed myself, my face on my back. No. Actually, I'm not sure. Yes. Hey, yes! Woo! Crazy time with 2x! Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, decision time. You need to choose one of the flapper. Green, blue, yellow. Which one do you like the most? Of course, blue is the most popular one. Always the blue one. So the maximum multiplier is 400x. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 40,720 euros.
40x on green and yellow, 200x on blue, 872 winners. Congratulations. Let's go back. Betting time. Hello. What I wanted to say. I wish I could show you one day the tattoos, but who knows? Maybe never.
Yet again. Alright. Y36D, I guess you don't hear me. Time to rest? What do you mean time to rest, Joey? Oh, you're gonna take a rest? You mean? Alright, let's go again. 7x on coin flip. Alright, let's go. Get that also? I sure hope we will. Give me that coin flip, boy. Ooh. Okay. 7x on coin flip. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one. Please be a good one. And actually hit a good one, alright? Alright, everybody. Welcome to the coin flip once again. This time with 7x multiplier. This is the coin blue on top. Let's see what kind of multipliers we're getting this time around. 2x and a 25x. So 175x against 14. Please be 175x. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Give me red, please.
This is the amount of money issued 114,622 euros.
5x. We will take it. We will take it for sure. All right. Yep, buddy. Betting time is open. Good. Very nice. I'll take that. You're all welcome, boys and ladies and gentlemen.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.